You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A name from Arabic. If you want to learn more Arabic names that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. Jawad is generally the Arabic pronunciation. Some may pronounce it a bit more as Jawad, but generally it's a J sound, okay? Jawad. Some may pronounce it again as Jawad, but it's generally Jawad. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is generally as Jawad, Jawad. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.